Hi friends, Amazon sent me this size of the little box for my cats to let you know how they see and how it works. So let's go open it. So this is our little box. As you can see, it is stainless. Have the perfect size if your cat is big size. I have tried this size of great. Came with these accessories. This one is for cleaning the litter of your cats. And this other is like a step, so your cats can use it when they finish to use the box. They can clean her feet here, and you can use this to put it in the floor, so this don't remove when your cats use it. This color is like a little green or yellow, but I think it's a beautiful. So this is the part. This way. You have like a little piece that you keep in her place. And let me show you in the floor. You can use it in outside or inside. This is the accessory that I say that you can put for your cat. So when they get in the litter box, they can clean her face here or here, and we can use this to clean all the litter inside. So let's put some litter inside, and let me show you how my cats use it. Cats love his new litter box. So thank you Amazon for this gift, and I highly recommend it for your pets. See you.